Okay, good morning. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Tenisha Yancey presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, sleeping, lying down, driving, no wearing of any head garments unless it's for religious purposes only, no chewing of any gum or reading of any material, and you must be properly dressed when a judge asks you to turn on your cameras. Good morning, Your Honor. If you're saying something, Your Honor, you're muted.
I was saying something, thank you. And good morning to everyone on YouTube as well, or in Zoom. I am just Tenisha Yancey. I will be presiding over your matters today. Madam Clerk, are there any cases ready to be heard?
Yes, we just have one with one attained attorney. I can bring him out if you're ready to call his case now, and I can place the other ones into the breakout rooms.
Give me just a second.
Okay.
Okay. I think I did this right. I'm still playing around with the technology here, but I should be okay now.
Okay. James Grant, you can go ahead and accept your invitation to join your breakout room for me, sir. Michael, you as well. Mr. Baker, are you able to go back into your breakout room? Oh, good work. It works.
I know, that I could.
Yeah, it worked. Mr. Baker, are you able to go back into your same breakout room? Tap on join, Mr. Burns, to get back into your breakout, to get into your breakout room.
Yes, I have I'm waiting on attorney Ryan Hill. I have a paid attorney.
Okay, thank you. But still going to your breakout room for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Banks, you're next. Go ahead and go into your breakout room for me. Attorney Ali, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. How are you?
Okay, who are you checking in for?
I'm checking in on behalf of Attorney Ryan Hill for Michael Barnes.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you need to speak with Miss Shannon. I need to get her in here. Okay.
Absolutely.
I think you got too many numbers on your P number, but it's okay. I think I know your P number.
Oh, I do?
No, you're okay. I changed your name anyway, so don't worry about it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna put you in.
Gotcha, thank you.
You're welcome. So did you want to call his case, Your Honor?
Which one is that?
For Todd Barna?
Oh yeah, you can do that one.
Okay, let me get him out.
Do they have a plea agreement?
Yes, it's a state case, and he said Miss Paula Cole, he already spoke with her, and they
Okay.
and then she gave him the offer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Miss Murphy, I see that you came back.
I know. I hit the wrong button. Morning, Your Honor. I'm Kathy Murphy. Nice to meet you.
Really nice to meet you. Let me turn
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, one of the offer sheets that APA Goss or City Attorney Goss sent me didn't have anything filled out for one of the folks I talked to. I heard you say that Shannon Walker was our
Yes, I think she is going to be in here for this week, so I can give her a call. Just give me one moment. We're going to call Attorney Herbert's case.
Okay, I'm going to go back and talk to people. It was Melissa Black that there was no offer filled out for.
Melissa Black.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you soon, Judge.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, attorney, give me one moment. I'm trying to pull your client out the breakout room. Oh, there he goes. Okay, this is the state of Michigan versus Todd Barna. Ticket number SX 416-35211, failed to stop in proper ID at an accident. Ticket number SX 416-35212, careless driving. Appearances for the record, please.
Herb Larson, Your Honor, on behalf of Todd Barna.
Todd Barna, Your Honor.
And today is the date and time scheduled for, is this the pretrial, Madam Clerk?
Yes, ma'am, pretrial.
Counselor, how would you like to proceed?
Judge, I believe there's a plea form that's been submitted by Paula Cole in this matter, amending the charge to failure to report. That's a 0-point traffic misdemeanor. The rest of the charges are dismissed. I don't believe there was a careless on there at all. I think it was just leaving the scene property damage.
No, it's a careless driving on our docket for today, attorney.
Well, in any event, those are both dismissed, and we're agreeing to plead guilty to one charge of failure to report, 257.621.
So if you weren't aware of the careless driving, how did you negotiate the plea to have it dismissed?
Judge, that may very well be on there. I talked to I talked to Paula. She stated that the charges are dismissed and the one failure to report. So, yeah, hopefully she was conscious of that. I can't speak to that, but I believe she was. I'm looking at the ticket and we didn't.
What information did you provide to Attorney Cole? I guess
She asked for Judge, you're right. I'm very sorry. I did provide the ticket with the careless driving. My omission. That was part of the plea agreement. I'm very sorry.
Okay, I just want to be clear that everything that she was aware.
Totally above board, because I sent her a copy of the ticket, the accident report, everything else. She's aware of everything.
Okay, and so she's dismissed the careless driving in exchange for a reduced plea to failure to report on count one.
She's dismissed both the ones on the ticket, the careless driving and the failure to stop an ID of property in exchange for a plea to the amended charge of failure to report, which is a 0-point misdemeanor, 257.621. And Mr. Barna understands his rights to trial. He's waived those. I've gone over those with him. He's ready to tender a plea to the added amended charge.
All right. And sir, is that correct? You had an opportunity to talk to your attorney and he advised you of your rights. Did you understand your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
I am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, Mr. Barna.
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, I did stop and the
Mr.
other party
Barna.
didn't stop.
Mr.
Apparently he
Barna.
stopped.
The answer is yes, you're pleading guilty because you are guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You can raise your right hand, Mr. Barna, and repeat after me. I can swear or affirm. You don't do both. You, whatever your preference is. I swear or affirm
I swear
that the testimony I give today will be the truth and the entire truth.
that the testimony I give today will be the truth and the entire truth.
Okay, you can put your hand down, turning your attention to January 4th, 2023. Were you driving a 2014 Ford?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in the area of M39 and I-96 in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And did you have an accident on that day, sir?
Yes, I did.
And did you report the authorities, sir?
No, I did not. I pulled over and the other car kept going.
That's fine, Mr. Barna. It's just failure to report the accident. Your answer was no, you did not.
Correct.
Okay. Satisfied, counselor?
Defense is satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Stipulate to probable cause on the dismissals?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So the court is satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Barna for failure to report an accident, dismissing other counts. Well, we're reducing the first count to failure to display, or I'm sorry, to fail to report an accident and dismissing the second count. For failure to report an accident, I'm going to assess the fines and fees of $250, Mr. Varner. Are you able to make that payment within the next 2 weeks?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, and so, Counselor, do we need to schedule this for a review, or are you confident that your client will have it paid?
I'm 100% confident he'll have that paid, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, and Madam Clerk, what's the due date?
It'll be May 25th.
So it's due on or before May 25th, Varner.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Your Honor.
thank you. You have a good day.
You too, Judge. Thank you very
You
much.
as well. Thank
Thank
you, Judge.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk, any other cases ready to be called?
No, Your Honor.
Will you let me know when they're ready to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.